Hi guys, and we're at another mini game actually. This mini game is called Fishing Rod Sleep. If you guys don't know what sleep is, it's basically a game when you knock other people down, and yeah, that's basically it. So if you go in here, I want to die, but you have to do a little bit parkour. So you go here, and you basically have to knock the other person down with your fishing rod. Like, you just basically knock back, this second doesn't do any damage. And also, let me switch game modes here. Play an adventure, and let's see. Okay, now you have gold boots, and you put on a helmet. And that's all you have. That's the only armor that you have. You basically have to just knock the person over, and you can go for bow sleep if you want. That's actually pretty good if you want to try like a harder one. But you have to eat your butter apple first, and you only get 5 arrows, so it's better if you take your fishing rod too. If you want to make it a little more challenging, then just take your bow and then shoot. Oops. No! That's what I said. Okay, there we go. You saw that. I suck at this. Yeah? No? Okay, well, this other thing that I made that's called the ender launcher. You have ender pearls, and you basically have to shoot there. Let me show you. All the way down there. This is bad. This is good. This is the best. Actually, this is bad. This is good. Medium. This is the best. Oh god! But whatever. Let me switch game modes here. Game mode 2. There. Now, you have to just basically get it over to the diamond block over there. And basically have to survive. You eat your golden apple. Nom nom. You have to get on top of that diamond block. And I'm on top of the diamond block. Yeah, I'm awesome. Do and pearl back. I don't like walking. Yeah. So basically over here, the chest, you have 16 ender pearls. Each turn you can choose. Yeah, that's 3 fishing rods. And in here there thus the golden apples and stuff like that. And in here there's a bunch of butter apples. Now if you want to play this is actually 2 mini games to be exact. This is the first mini game is yeah, awesomeness. Well, this one is the fishing rod go sleep. Now let me get out of here.
What?
Ow. Now the second one is the ender pearl launcher. It's really hard, and if you want to challenge yourself, sure you can. And let me go try for the game. This one. Let's go. Let's see. Touch me. I think I'm gonna get butter. Aw. You miss, you miss. Shoot. Well, let me go back. I don't like running. Ow.
What happened?
I hit myself.
Oh, I hit myself.
Yeah? Yeah! Wait, what?
What?
The heck?
What?
Okay, there we go. Let me try again. Yeah. Damn it. That's my last turn, I guess. So that's it for this mini game tutorial, and luckily it's like near sunset. See you guys.